Welcome student. Today I will be showing you both the Lewis-Strauss structure of NO and NO+. The Lewis dot structure of NO and NO+. First NO. The total valence shell electrons are 5 for N, nitrogen, oxygen 6, so 11. Now nitrogen, oxygen, 2 bonding electron, then fill up the octet for oxygen, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 remaining on nitrogen, 9 10 11. Now see, oxygen octet filled up, but for nitrogen it is not filled up, 1 2 3 4 5 only, so we can transfer this lone pair of electron on oxygen as a bonding pair here between nitrogen and oxygen. Now the structure will be nitrogen, oxygen, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So now you see the electrons around nitrogen is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. If again we transfer one lone pair of electrons from oxygen to here as bonding pair, the number of electrons around nitrogen will be more than 8, means 9, so it is which is not possible. So this will be the preferable structure. Now see, so this will be the preferable structure: nitrogen, double bond oxygen, 1 2 3 4 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and on oxygen octet filled up, but for nitrogen only 7 electron. Now see the formal charge on नाइट्रोजन के ऊपर फॉर्मल चार्ज कितना होगा? 5 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन माइनस 3 नॉन बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन माइनस 4 बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन बाय 2 will be 5 minus 3 minus 2 means 0, which is most desirable for any Lewis-Strauss structure. Formal charge, if formal charge is 0 on any atom, that will be the most preferable one. Now on oxygen, check on oxygen. Oxygen is 6 valence shell electron minus 4 non-bonding electron minus 4 bonding electron by 2, means 6 minus 4 minus 2 is equals to 0. So this will be the structure for NO. Now for NO plus, for NO plus, number of total valence shell electrons are 5 plus 6 minus 1 for this plus charge, so that will be 10. Now you draw the structure: NO bonding electron, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 10. Now transfer these electrons one by one. This is lone pair of electron, transfer one as bonding pair. So what will be the structure? Nitrogen 1 2 3 4 as bonding, then on oxygen 1 2 3 4 non-bonding, on nitrogen 2 non-bonding. And now we check the electrons around nitrogen are 1 2 3 4 5 6 electrons are there. and nitrogen can accommodate maximum 8 electrons, so we can transfer another lone pairs also. Now see the structure. Nitrogen 1 2 3 4 5 6, oxygen. On oxygen, lone pairs, two lone pairs, nitrogen also, one lone pair on nitrogen, one lone pair of oxygen, two non-bonding electron here, two non-bonding electron here, and between nitrogen oxygen triple bonds are formed. So this will be N triple bond O, two non-bonding is there. This is the structure for NO plus. Check the formal charge. So the formal charge on nitrogen is 5 minus 2 non-bonding electron minus 6 bonding electron by 2 is equals to 5 minus 2 minus 3 is equals to 0, which is best. Now see, check on oxygen is equals to 6 valence electron minus 2 non-bonding electron minus 6 bonding electron by 2 is equals to 6 minus 5 is plus 1. So here also as a whole plus 1 charge is there, and that charge will be on oxygen. So this is the structure for NO plus. So see students, to draw the Lewis-Strauss structure is very easy. Only you have to follow some methods properly and you will never do it wrong. Okay, thank you for watching.